January brought a new year and another solid step forward for Depths of Erendorn, with the teams across the project refining core systems, expanding combat and character content, and strengthening the foundations of the world. From visual polish and animation updates to back-end stability and gameplay improvements, this month's work continues to push Erendorn closer to its next testing milestone. So let's get into January 2026 video development log, starting with the 3D modelling team. Over the past month, the 3D modelling team updated the Forest Druid's base character to a fully game-ready state. Work focused on a complete retexture pass, refining wood grain flow and introducing new tattoo details to strengthen the Druid's nature-bound identity. Updated renders now showcase the final character alongside her full equipment range, reinforcing visual consistency across the class. In January, the set-piece design team continued developing the new outpost location, progressing its modular assets through key structural changes. Core assets were fully UV unwrapped, while tile and trim materials were iterated to establish a clear surface language. Decorative metal elements and PLA assets were also introduced, laying strong foundation for future detailing and set dressing. The client team focused on improving stability and clarity across quests and activities, particularly in preparation for the next Friends and Family pre-alpha test. Close collaboration with the server team helped resolve progression, dialogue, and UI issues, with follow-up fixes addressing edge cases uncovered during previous testing phases. These updates improve quest readability and ensure smoother progression for all players. Throughout January, the server team strengthened back-end stability and scalability while supporting live testing. A new authentication framework was introduced, alongside major improvements to progression flow, loot distribution, server transfers, and session handling. Additional systems for monitoring, admin control, and live operations were also implemented, improving readiness for larger-scale testing. During this time, the environment team continued shaping Erendorn's world by improving terrain structures and exploration flow. Water system placeholders were added, tree collision issues were resolved, and a new ruins location was introduced. Ongoing work on procedural foliage helped refine density and distribution across open areas, getting these spaces ready for the new outpost locations in the future. The animation team expanded on the Revenant combat animations set, introducing new spell animations and refining existing attacks to improve timing and responsiveness. These updates help define the enemy's combat identity and enhance overall encounter flow. The VFX team focused on improving combat clarity and effect readability. Multiple abilities were corrected to resolve lingering or missing visuals. Cascade emitter issues were fixed, and the Revenant received its first full visual effects pass. Early exploration also began on improving the town's portal visual presence, supporting clearer readability within the world. Finally, the sound team spent January laying the groundwork for upcoming combat audio, with a focus on the Revenant's abilities. The new sound concepts and flexible, texture-based assets were developed to support faster iteration, alongside multiple playthroughs to identify bugs and balance issues feeding into the next polished pass. That wraps up this month's development log for January 2026. As always, thank you for following along and supporting the project. We'll be back soon with more progress to share as development continues and the world of Erendorn keeps growing. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll bring you more next month.